High voltage and low voltage batteries can both power a home, but they are not built for the same job. For most homes, low voltage batteries are usually the safer and simpler choice, while high voltage systems are better when you need more power and higher efficiency. A low voltage battery usually runs below 100 V, and home systems are often around 48 V or similar levels. It is easier to install, easier to service, and generally considered safer because the electrical shock risk is lower. A high voltage battery usually runs above 100 V and can reach about 200 V to 800 V in some systems. It can deliver power more efficiently and charge or discharge faster, but it needs stricter protection, stronger insulation, and more careful installation. Knowing the difference helps you choose the right battery for your home, your budget, and your safety needs. A battery is not just a box of stored energy. It is part of a system that includes wiring, an inverter, and safety controls. If the voltage is wrong for the setup, you can waste money, lose efficiency, or create a hazard. Low voltage systems usually have lower upfront cost, simpler wiring, and easier compatibility with many home setups. They are often preferred for small homes and backup use because they are more user-friendly and less intimidating to maintain. High voltage systems usually cost more to start, but they can be more efficient because lower current means less energy lost as heat. They are often preferred for larger homes or heavier loads because they handle power demands better and can scale more easily. For cost, low voltage usually wins because the system is simpler and less expensive to install. For safety, low voltage also wins because lower voltage reduces the risk of electric shock and makes handling easier. For ease of use, low voltage is again the friendlier option because it is closer to plug-and-play in many home systems. The main advantage of high voltage is performance. The main disadvantage is that it demands more caution, more specialized parts, and more professional handling. So for many homes, low voltage is preferred unless the household needs higher power and better efficiency. Think of low voltage like a gentle stream and high voltage like a fast river. The stream is easier and safer to stand near, but the river can move more water when you need more power. That is why a small home often does fine with low voltage batteries, while a bigger system may choose high voltage batteries for stronger performance. So remember this, low voltage is simpler and safer, while high voltage is stronger and more efficient. For home use, the best battery is not the most powerful one. It is the one that fits your needs, your budget, and your safety first.